Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to submit your Shopify Sitemap to Google Search Console. Submitting your sitemap helps Google discover your products, collections, blog posts, and other important pages more efficiently. While Shopify automatically generates a sitemap for every store, submitting it to Google Search Console can speed up the indexing process and help you monitor any crawling issues. Let's get started. First, open Google Search Console and select your Shopify website. If you haven't added your website yet, you'll need to verify ownership by following Google's verification process. Once your property is verified, you'll have access to your website's performance and indexing reports. Next, in the left-hand menu, click Sitemaps. In the field labeled Add a new sitemap, enter sitemap.xml and click Submit. Shopify automatically maintains this sitemap, so you don't need to generate or update it manually. Whenever you add new products, collections, or pages, Shopify updates the sitemap automatically. After submitting your sitemap, Google will begin processing it. This may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days depending on your website. Once processing is complete, you'll see whether the sitemap was successfully read and how many pages Google has discovered. You should also check the Pages or Indexing section inside Google Search Console. If Google reports any crawl errors, blocked pages, or indexing issues, review those reports and resolve any problems that appear. Fixing these issues helps ensure more of your content becomes searchable. Another good practice is to make sure your Shopify store is publicly accessible. If your storefront is still password protected or your products aren't published to the online store sales channel, Google won't be able to crawl them properly even if your sitemap has been submitted. It's also important to optimize your product pages. Give each product a unique title, write an original product description, and complete the search engine listing with a relevant meta title and description. Well-optimized pages are easier for Google to understand and are more likely to perform well in search results. After submitting your sitemap, be patient. Google doesn't index every page immediately, especially if your store is new. It can take several days or even a few weeks before new products begin appearing in search results. To monitor your progress, return to Google Search Console regularly. Check how many pages are indexed, review any warnings or errors, and keep an eye on your search performance report to see which products and pages are receiving impressions and clicks from Google. Finally, continue updating your Shopify store with fresh products, new collections, and helpful content. Websites that are actively maintained are typically crawled more frequently, making it easier for Google to discover and index new pages. And that's it. That's how to submit your Shopify sitemap to Google Search Console. By verifying your website, submitting your sitemap, reviewing indexing reports, optimizing your pages, and monitoring your Search Console data, you'll give Google the information it needs to crawl and index your store more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.